Hi folks, Colin here, back with more rock and roll. Good to see you. So this week I got a request to cover the Honeymoon Song, a lovely song that was recorded by the Beatles live at the BBC in 1963, and it's got lots of ideas that we've covered on this channel before, but if you listen to the recording, the sort of musicianship on it is absolutely fantastic, very understated. I suspect the Beatles probably evolved their style because they worked very hard when they were playing the clubs in Hamburg, and they just got everything down quite minimalistic, and they worked kind of as a team when they were putting compositions together. So John Lennon and George Harrison's guitar parts sort of interweave very closely together, but it's all quite understated and very tasteful, and I really like it. So the first thing to note, this song is in the key of E, and it was written by a Greek person, I believe. It was two people from Greece. One wrote the words and one wrote the music. And then it was sung beautifully by Paul McCartney. So the introduction, it's using these little ideas that we've talked about before. So we've got the D chord here, but we move that little shape up to the 4th fret. And we're just going to use the top 2 strings for playing the George Harrison part. So we're playing 4 on the E, 5 on the B. Then we're going to move up to effectively with the D minor. So if your D is your 1, D minor is just use that shape for the 2 and 3. So start off, you're playing the whole thing, but I'm just going to play the top 2 strings. So 4 and 5, then 5 and 7, then 7 and 9. And we're going to slide, so that again is a D shape, so effectively that's your A chord, that's your D chord, so your E chord, so that's 9 and 10, then go back down, 7, 9, 5, 7, 4, 5. It goes to the E chord at the end. So the whole thing. Okay, so that's the introduction. I never knew that a day like today lay before us. Okay, so that's E. And it's a A6. So if you think of your A chord, and we're just going to play the top 4 strings, and we're going to put our pinky onto the 9th fret of the B string. So that's your E-shaped bar chord. So it's 5, 5, 6, 7, and then put the pinky onto the 8th fret. Oh, sorry. Pinky on the 7th fret, sorry, of the B string. We put it on the 8th fret. That's the 7th chord. But we're going to be more sophisticated, so we're going to play the 6th. So E. I never knew a day like today lay before us. E, A6, E. I've got this sun in my heart, and my heart's in the sun. So that's the same shape. That's a B chord, B6 chord. And we slide it back down. Then there's a little detail, so that's kind of the John Lennon part, but underneath it George Harrison does a few kind of very tasteful little solos. I never knew a day like today lay before us. So what he's doing, very subtle, very sophisticated. He's playing 11 on the E, 12 on the B, 13 on the G, then go back to 12 on the B. Now I've tabbed all this. You can get the tab down below, just download the link at your leisure and you can work through it, but I'm just going to give you a little walkthrough just now. I never knew a day like today lay before us. Back to E. I've got the sun in my heart, and my heart's in the sun. So then when it goes to that B6, again very subtle. George Harrison, all he does is he plays 7 on the E, 7 on the B, then 9 on the G, and then 9 on the B, and then you just walk down 1 fret at a time. Skies are as bright as your eyes. That's E, A6. The horizon is open. E, A. Love is the ceiling. E. Feelings are reeling, free as the air. E. Then it goes to a C sharp minor, and underneath that George Harrison plays. So that's 9 on the B, 12 on the high E, then 11 on the high E, then 9 on the high E. Very simple. It's almost a bit like And I Love Her. And he actually slides that down. Then it goes to a G sharp minor. Same thing again. It goes to B7. Then it goes back to E. I never knew that we two could so be free as we fancy. So that's E to A6. Fancy is free, but are we who are bound to each other by love? So that bit's B, A, G sharp minor, F sharp minor, and then back to C sharp minor, B7, to each other by love. And then it goes to solo. That was just the same as introduction. So that bit, same, back to the 7 and 9, 9 and 10, then 11 and 12, then you're going to play that B6 again, then you walk it down 1 fret, and then it just goes back to whoever thought we'd be free as we fancy, A6, fancy is B, what are we, A, G sharp minor, bound together, F sharp my love, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, B7, E. That repeats 3 times. F sharp minor, B7, E. Together by love. And then the very end. So that's just the same as the start. And there's just a little lick in there. 6 on the A, 4, 2, open, 4 on the E. Then you're playing that E6 chord, which is just an E, but just your pinkies on the 2nd fret of the B. I never thought a day like today lay before us. I've got the sun in my heart and my heart's in the sun. Feeling bad and it's over. Love is the feeling, my heart is reeling, free as the air. And forever, forever's inside. We would have thought that we two would be free as we fancy. Fancy is free, but are we who are bound to each other by love? To each other by love. To each other by love. To each other by love. Okay folks, nice little tune that one. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, download the tab. I've got all the notes there. I worked it all out, and you know, that's bit of work, so appreciate it if you can give me some feedback on the tab if you like it. I much appreciate it. I'm going to do the, I obviously got the Eddie Cochran tune. We've got a request for Hallelujah, I Love Her So. I'm going to do that. I've also got Wooden Heart in the pipeline as well by Elvis. I like these requests because sometimes I run out of ideas, so it's very helpful. And please leave me your comments because I like to hear what's going on and get your feedback. And keep rocking, and I'll see you next time.